If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to permanent smooth hair straightening at home. First, take 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti. Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, is a clay that has cleansing benefits for the skin and hair. Its naturally absorbent properties allow it to cleanse your hair of oil while remaining gentle on your skin. It can be made into a hair mask to clean and condition your hair. Add 3 tablespoons corn flour. It's a fantastic volumizer that adds thickness but not weight to strands. Another benefit, when your scalp is oily or moist, say, in the summer, or after a workout, cornstarch sucks up that condensation and grease so your scalp and hair stay fresh and, if not actually clean, then clean looking and smelling. Add 1 egg white. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Add amount of waters. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair scalp to hair length. Wash your hair with shampoo. Apply this mask 3 times in a week for permanent smooth hair. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.